Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sav and today I'll be DIYing this Poinsettia flower piece. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Alright, let's grab your glue sticks, scissors, and let's get crafting. The supplies you'll need for this DIY are some white computer paper, or just white paper, red paper, yellow paper, cardboard, a ruler, scissors, a pencil, glue stick, and your hot glue. First step of the DIY is to measure and cut cardboard to the desired length of what you want your base of your flower to be. I'm going to make mine 6 inches by 6 inches. When you are done, you should have some sort of a base to work with. Now you're going to encase your cardboard with the white paper. When you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Next, you're going to want to take a piece of cardboard and sketch a teardrop petal sort of shape for the petals of your flower. When you're satisfied with how it looks, you can then cut it out. When you have finally cut out your petal-like piece, this will then now be your tracer, for which you will trace a bunch of them on a red paper to be the petals of your flower. You can trace as many as you want. There is no amount that you should have. It's just until you feel satisfied with how your flower looks. When you've traced all the ones you want to trace, you are now going to cut them all out. Once you have finished cutting out all your petals, you're going to repeat this for the whole stack. But you're going to take your petal, add glue on the rounded edge, and then fold it like this. So when you're done, it will look like a petal. Next, you're going to want to take your blank canvas and find the middle and make a mark. Do that on both sides. Actually, do it all sides. Make sure they are faint so they can be erased later. But this is just to help mark and make sure everything is even. Now you're going to take your petals and your hot glue and arrange them in a flower pattern. You're going to want to glue on the strip here. And then, I hot glued myself. You're gonna want hot glue on the strip and place it right here, and then going to just place the petals in arrangement on your lines for all 4. This, again, these lines just help make sure that your flower is straight. And then now you're just going to place all these other petals just in between here, make it poof and look like a flower. I have finished hot gluing my petals in place, and now I'm just going to take my eraser and erase my faint lines. Next, you'll need your yellow paper. You're just going to rip off little pieces and then just crumble them up. Oop. just crumbled up little pieces, so then that will give it the texture or illusion of the center of the flower. When you have cut out or ripped out all of your little yellow pieces, you're going to take your hot glue, squirt some in the middle, and then just plop these on. And there you have it. This is your finished poinsettia decor piece. But why not go a little step further and add some decoration? For the embellishments I'm going to use, I just cut out some green pieces of paper for leaves, and I'm going to use these square rhinestone stickies on the corners. Thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more content and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what DIYs you think I should do next. Well, happy holidays everyone!